Hey pals, welcome to Malang Raya, the city where all the cool touristy stuff happens. We've got sea and mountain adventures, fun play areas, shopping spots, foodie heavens, and cafes that'll make you go, yum! Today, we are diving into a brand new hotspot in Malang Regency. Picture this, a natural spot that's not just pretty, but also knows the secret to relieving stress. Since this place is like a hidden treasure chest, we hopped on an online transportation from Kota Baru railway station to get our adventure started. Follow our journey! Here we are, the super awesome Sumber Gentong, which is located in Desa Tirtomoyo, Kecamatan Pakis, Kabupaten Malang. Hold on tight, because we're about to spill the beans on Sumber Gentong. So, Sumber means water spring and Gentong is like a container. Put them together and you get Sumber Gentong, a fancy name for a cool spring. Hi guys, guess where we are? We have arrived at the Sumber Gentong. Let's get to the black cat. We've got the tickets, now let's get in and explore what's inside. The ticket to this wonderland is only 5,000 rupiahs, cheaper than your favorite fancy cafe. While taking a walk, you're gonna see some stalls that sells various foods, snacks and beverages. On the right side. As you stroll along, you'll find tiny shops and food stops giving a high five to the local economy around Sumber Gentong. On your left side, you're gonna see some gazebos where you can enjoy your meals with your loved ones. Here's a spot to take a picture. Let's get some memories. This way. Can you please take some pictures of us? Thank you. This hidden gem opened its doors in 2022, and it's not just pretty, but breathtaking. As you can see, the greens around the area refresh our eyes. But first thing first, food! Well, my friends is kinda hungry and I think it'll be fun to enjoy the view while we are having our lunch. So we are willing to try one of the cafes here. And the cafe name is Kembang Sore. Wow, they actually have various interesting menus like foods, snacks and beverage. We've got our order and now we gotta wait. Here comes what I've ordered. I got 2 es dawets, 2 orange juices, 2 instant noodles and a fried tofu. I've tried some and they taste amazing. The food here is varied and cheap, and the best part, you get to eating it while enjoying a super nice view. Now, get ready for the adventure buffet at Sumber Gentong. Strut your stuff on wooden bridge and enjoy the aerial view, swim like you're a superhero fish, play with water like it's your personal playground, strike a pose at cool spots, go on duck boat adventures, and try your luck at fishing. Those duckling boats looks fun. I think I'm gonna ride it. Let's go. Oh, and guess what? It rained when we visited. But hey, rain or shine, we hopped on a rubber boat for just 15 to 25,000 rupiahs. 10,000 for a small boat with 2-seaters and 25,000 for a big boat with 4-seaters. We sailed through the raindrops for 20 minutes, breathing in fresh air and feeling like, relief. I'm telling you guys, this place is truly a gem. It serves beautiful, amazing, eye-catching views and also interesting things to try like this duckling boats. You have to go visit it. It's not complete if we come to Sumber Gentong without checking its spring water. We are curious how refreshing the water is, so we're gonna try to enjoy the swimming pool too. So, if you've got some free time and you're up for a budget-friendly nature escapade, Sumber Gentong is the place to be. Don't miss out on this hidden treasure because awesome adventures are for everyone! That's all, and thank you for joining our trip, and see you on the next journey. Bye-bye!